Alright, today I've got a residential call. It's a Rheem split unit. This was a 5-ton. Looks like it's about 8 years old. Not cooling. So, seems like the condenser is not coming on. The air handler was coming on, the customer said, so he just shut it off overnight, and we're here to check it out. Alright, let's see. See if we got power here. We have 237. It is not calling yet. We've got Nest thermostats. Supposed to be turning it on. We'll give it a few minutes here and see if it clicks. Alright, check our control voltage here. Got no signal yet. And I'm gonna have to go check with what he's done in there. I think it should be on by now. I can put this down. Gotta film with the phone today. I left my cameras back at home. No control voltage yet. Alright, let's go. Let's see what he did with that thermostat. Alright, thermostat says it's set for 72, it's 81 in there. Just checking here, still got no control voltage. Get my meter on. Yeah, no control voltage. So let's go look at the Nest and see what's going on there. Alright, so I couldn't really film in the house, but the Nest thermostat says it was calling. Got power at the sub base, it just wasn't going, so I went and got this. We're going to bypass, see what happens. Alright, so I do have the thermostat jumped out in there, and we are still not turning on. So I think the next place we're going to visit is inside that air handler. Alright, so I went inside. There ended up being I wish I could take you in there and show you, but I just got back from vacation and the house is pretty active in there. There was a wet switch under the air conditioner in the return. Everything was dry in there, except that wet switch had a little bit of dampness on it. So just got it bypassed, started it up, gonna let it run. We'll check the charge on it and see if that's all good. The drains and stuff were just cleared out 3-4 months ago. It has been hot and running a lot. They were out of town for I don't know, a couple weeks and just came home and the air wasn't working. We'll see. Alright, got my jet links hooked up here. So far pressures are looking good. Had about 14 degree subcooling. I started up inside, it was 81. I had a 59 degree supply air temp. Let's see if we can start making any condensation here. I'll put a vacuum on that and make sure the line's clear. Try to do a screenshot of these pressure readings. Kicking myself for not bringing the camera today. anyways, I'm gonna try and sneak you inside too, take a look at that wet switch so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, well that was the wet switch that I showed you. So it is damp, there's moisture on it, but nothing else in there is wet. So I don't know why, I don't know what happened, but I poured some water and a little bit of coil cleaner down in the drain. This is the one for upstairs. This is the one that was not cooling this unit. Obviously we got power back and it's working now. So what we agreed to do, we'll come back later with a auxiliary pan and an actual float switch and install it under that air conditioner. He said next time we do PM, he wants to do that. And so for now, we're just going to go ahead and vacuum out these drains. Make sure it stays clear. Go ahead and do the downstairs air conditioner too. Woo! Look at that. It's not even the one that was down. I think there's a piece of pipe in there. Threaded, that's why. Alright. Oh, there's a lot of water gushing out of there. They've been working hard. It's been hot this summer. Alright, well I think that cures the problem. That's why we weren't getting any signal here, because of that wet switch. So once I bypassed that, this condenser came on, so everything checks out good with the nest. Pressure still looked good. Don't suspect any problems with the refrigeration side. And yeah, so that's it. Alright, well, I know this wasn't the most exciting, but it might help somebody troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. I'm enjoying making the videos for you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.